Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold was engineered and produced by my good friends at Information Packaging in Toronto. This was designed in collaboration with AIM Group for client BMO, and this piece self-mailed in Canada. And I think you're going to love the format, the kind of interaction that happens, the dimension, everything about it works really well. I'm excited to show this to you. So this was the mailing panel. They actually inkjetted the addresses on at the end. So at the front, it has a die-cut circle right here, and it says, when was the last time your bank gave you a nice surprise? And then it says pull. It's got a little thumb pull right here. And so you pull, and this reveals a message up here that says, get up to $500 for moving to BMO. But then when it hits a stopper down here, there's a little flipper integration as well, and this has a series of messages about opening an account, this and that, and then it ends with that's the BMO effect, and it's got the little, call to action down here. So it's got this really wonderful dimensional movement and flipper integration. I've shown some different flipper types of integrations before on Fold of the Week. I love this one because this one's with a classic sleeve mailer. So I love the integration with a sleeve mailer format. So it's got a sleeve on the outside, a thumb pull, a wonderful reveal here, and a flipper integration. So they did give me a second one. I tried to tear it apart. It's so well glued that I really couldn't kind of turn it into anything that you guys could really get a feel for. But one of the neatest production tricks that Information Packaging worked out is that they were able to engineer this so that the entire thing is only printed one side of a 12-point Carolina C2S. So this is 4 colors, one side printing for this entire piece. These were die cut and score, and then hand assemble and glue. And they did about 22,000 of these. So just a wonderful, wonderful design, great use of, different engagement strategies and integration. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Sleeve mailer with flipper integration. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.